Ranking K-pop artists. Let's see. Come on. Let me cry. Samsung Girls. Number 6. Samsung Girls, very good. Let's see. Chuchi. From NYPD Blue, number 3. Let's see. Hyung from Monster Energy, number 5. Very good. Millie. Number 7. Let's see. Let me cry. Gingis Khan. From Stranger Things, number 4. Very nice. Let's see. Dragon Ball Z. From Bing Bong Theory, number 8. Very nice. Let's see. Rajok. From New York. Very good. Number 9. Let's see. Yakamura, number 10. Very good. Let's see. Jay-Z. From Red Pink, and number 1 is the best. Hot Dog.